Class 5 English. Okay, we'll start with our Essay 3 syllabus. Essay 3 syllabus, Unit 7, Section 1. Essay 3 syllabus. Essay 3 syllabus starts from here. Okay, so this is a poem now. The pencil. The pencil. I am just a little pencil made of cedar wood and lead. Cedar is the name of a tree. That tree is wood. This pencil is made of cedar wood. I am just a little pencil made of cedar wood and lead. This is the lead, the black part, the part with which you write. This is the lead, L-E-A-D. This is called lead of the pencil. Okay. So I am just a little pencil made of cedar wood and lead. My head is long and pointed. My head, this head is long and pointed. This is pointed. Okay. My head is long and pointed. My body is smooth and red. My body is very smooth, slippery. It's nice to touch and it's a red color. My body is smooth and red. I once was long and handsome. One time I was long and very handsome looking. Means handsome is very good looking. Why once? Means one time I was long and handsome, but now I soon must die. But very soon means very soon I will die. Why? I like to write quite nicely. This pencil write nicely. The pencil likes to write nicely, but must not does not write. But the master does not write. Master means the pencil. The person with whom the pencil is, that person does not try writing with the pencil. So, I write nicely, but my master does not write. Suppose the pencil is with you, you are not writing with the pencil. So, the master does not write. Try to write. I lie in master's pocket. I am always in the inside my pocket of my master. I lie in master's pocket with marble top and string. Okay, with marble top and string. With marble top and string. Okay, there is always he lies in the pocket of the master with what? With marble top and string. There are some marbles top and string. You know marble, playing with marble ball sometime. Okay, you play with marbles ball. So in the master's pocket I am always there with what? Marble is there, top and string is there. Top is there, top and string. You know lattu, that is called top, and with a string, and marble is guli. Okay, so with marble top and string, a knife and pen and rubber and key upon a ring. And there is also a knife and a pen is also there, and a rubber and keys upon a ring, and keys are also there on a ring. Suppose this is a ring. In the ring there are keys. Okay, there are keys. Okay, in the ring there are keys. So this is the ring where keys are there. Okay, keys means lock and key. So this is the key, and keys upon a ring. So the master, that means the person is not writing with the pencil. He is keeping in the pocket with what? Marble top, string, knife, and okay, all this thing is there in the pocket, and a knife and a pen is also there. A rubber is also there, and key upon a ring, and key is also there upon a ring, with some rings. Okay. Now, he treats me very badly. His master treats him very badly, and often shaves my head, often cuts my head. Head is always cut. Okay, you always sharp your pencil. Okay, when it's short. So he treats me very badly and often shaves me. Shave means cut my head. It cut my head. You're sharpening the pencil. He cuts me so unkindly, very badly. He cut the pencil, and I shall soon be dead. And I will soon be dead. I will die very soon. Why? Because the pencil is getting shorter and shorter, and he's cutting the pencil. Okay. He sucks me too. I hate it. Sometimes you put the pencil inside your mouth, isn't it? That is called sucking. He sucks me too. Okay, he sucks me when you put the pencil inside your mouth. Few children have a very bad habit of putting the pencil in the mouth. So he sucks me too. I hate it. That sucking, when putting the pencil in the mouth, is very bad habit. That is, the pencil hate it. I hate it. And put me in the ink. Sometimes he puts the pencil in the ink. This is the ink. Ink means with which you write. Puts me in the ink. Have I not cause a grumble? Have I not cause a grumble? Okay, just tell me what you think. He's telling, I should cause, I should make a complaint. Grumble means here to make a complaint. Have I not caused a grumble? Just tell me what you think. Just tell me what I will do. Okay? I want to complain. Have I not caused? I have not complained. Have I not caused a grumble? I am not complaining to anyone. Just tell me what you think. Just tell me what do you think. What shall I do? Alethea. Alethea Chaplin. Right, her name is Ali. Alethea Chaplin. This is the poem. Read the poem. Okay, learn the first 8 lines of the poem. Learn the first 8 lines of the poem. For today, this much. Thank you.